have any citrusy fragrances?
Citrusy is normally here. The cologne collection is more. This one has kind of like lemony, citron, and this one has orange. And this one is camper rose. This one. This one.
Hey guys, it's me Shanana and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of some perfumes. We're gonna unbox this later, so first we're gonna unbox this Hermès one. I've been wanting to unbox this for a while. So let's see. This is mine. This is a travel kit version. So let me open it. It's okay, you're gonna try it anyway.
What the?
Oops. These are like perfumes, I'm pretty sure. These are colognes. So these would definitely last longer, which is what I want for the citrus perfume. How looks. How cute it is. They're like little bottles. So I'll take this one up first. They're all different. Oh, this one is. Okay, I actually forgot. But I'm pretty sure this one's citrusy because I remember choosing the citrus one. Spray it. Oh, this smells really. I love this citrus. I forgot what this was called, but I'll tell you guys. Or like text over here. Okay, this is really nice. Well, wow, that's a really nice splash got there. Okay, we'll rate it later. Now let's see this one. There's little things inside. Oh, they're all supposed to have the paper thing inside, but there's no paper over here. Okay, so this one, next one I'm gonna open is this one. This one's the red one. This is rhubarbe. Oh, it's really rhubarbe. Do you like it?
Yeah.
This one's a bit sweeter. It's more fruity. Well, it is rhubarbe, so that explains it. It's really nice. I forgot what this was called. I just remember it was citrusy. The next one is Jardin Cythere. Oh, I think this was good. I think. Wait, where's my hand? This is also a bit citrusy. This is.
It smells like a bed.
Wait, these say the names. I don't know why. Only. Wait, no, this one says the name. Oh, because this is limited edition. I know this is a different collection. Is what I remember. Because this is a eau de toilette. But those are colognes. Okay, let's open it up. Last one. This one is also Eau de Toilette. Und Jardin sur les toilettes. Oh, my French is not good, so I'm sorry about the butchered pronunciation. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, we was your
Put it right in my nostrils. Oh wait, this one smells fresh. I keep inhaling it, but I like it. I can't explain the smell. Okay, I've had.
This is my infinite smell. Let me know my smell, my sniff.
I like this, but okay. So this is sur de toilette. So only these ones actually have the text on them. I'm gonna have to search this one up because I don't remember what fragrance it was called. Oh, this is on the bottom. Citron noir. This is my favorite one because if you know me, I love citrus, like the scent. It's just so like I love the like zesty scent. You know what I mean? So like 2 of these have like a zesty smell to it. So these 2 are my top faves, but a lot of people are not like fond with the zesty scent. So these 2 are like probably my go-to. Actually, I love them all. I love them all equally. Bye guys, and follow my